Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
So today we're going to learn about iterating through lists by using the for statement. So first we're going to do suit equals. So it's just like a variable, but the square brackets marks the list. So hearts, spades, clubs, and diamonds are the 4 items, and they're separated by commas. Next we're going to do ranks. So it's like another list with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King, and Ace. So right now we're going to be printing out a whole deck of cards by using nested for statements. So next we're going to do for suit and suits. So now this is a for statement. So like fors each something. So that something is suit, which is a variable for the items in the list suits. So first item is in suits is like hearts, so it will check hearts first, then spades, then clubs, then diamonds. So then we're going to put a for statement inside another for statement. So for rank and ranks. So then we're going to do the ranks list. Then print f string rank of suit. So it's first going to check hearts, and then it'll first check 2 in the ranks. Then it'll print like the 2 items that is checking in the list. So it'll first print 2 of hearts. On the first time it runs the for loops. Let's save it with Control S and run it. So did py list.py. So let's go up here.
There's a lot actually.
Yeah. So
there's 2 of hearts.
Wait. Oops.
There's 2 of hearts first.
Hearts. So here.
2
of hearts, 3 of hearts, 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 of hearts,
very long.
8 of hearts. Let's see.
It's really long.
Oops.
Not too long.
Then there is 8. Okay, then 9 of spades. Oh yeah, there's a lot. There's 2 of hearts, 3 of hearts, 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 of hearts, 8 of hearts, 9 of hearts, 10 of hearts, Jack of hearts, Queen of hearts, King of hearts, and Ace of hearts.
And it will repeat for
spades, clubs, and diamonds. So now let's see what will happen if we switch the suits in the first for loop into ranks and the inner for statement into suits. Let's change the suit to rank and the suit to ranks, and then the ranks to suits and the rank to suit. So now it will be like 2 of hearts. No, it will be 2 of hearts, 2 of spades, 2 of clubs, and 2 of diamonds. And then it will be and then 3 of hearts, 3 of spades, 3 of clubs, and 3 of diamonds, and it will repeat. So let's save it and see what will run now. So let's do py list.py. So here is the bottom of the what I printed. There's the ace of diamonds, ace of clubs, ace of spades, ace of hearts, and it repeats that for all the items in rank. So like reversed the thing. So like there's 2 of hearts, not hearts of 2. Well, there's 2 of hearts, 2 of spades, not hearts of 2 and hearts of 3 now. Next we're going to do import random and numbers equals then a bunch of numbers. So import will tell Python we're using a module, and random is the module we're using and is a built-in module. So in another video we also learned about the Python standard library and import. So next we have a list called numbers with a bunch of random numbers. Then we're going to do selected number, which is a variable, equals random.choice numbers. So we need to do random.choice number, so choice is a function, because the choice function is inside the random module. So the choice function will choose a random item from our list numbers, and then that item is stored in the variable selected number. Then we're going to print selected numbers, so you can make it into a guessing game.
Yeah.
Next we're going to do selected numbers, which is another variable, different from a selected number because it has s. Then random.choices, numbers k equals 3. So choices will also pick items out of your list randomly. It'll pick multiple random items. So k equals 3 is how many items you want choices to pick from your list, and those items will be stored inside the variable selected numbers, and then we're going to print the selected numbers again. So let's save it. So now let's run it.
Yes.
42. It got the first item in the choice, and then the choices got 8, 101, and 77.
Now we need it. And we need to guess what number. At least one of the numbers it will come up. Do you guess?
I'm gonna.
It has to be in the list numbers.
Yeah, 23. Yeah, 23 came out. Your turn. Guess a number.
101.
And then. Aww.
There's 2 23s.
My turn.
There's 2 23 and 2 42. That's cool.
I'm gonna choose.
What is it?
16. Oh, there's no 16.
77.
77. There's no 77. My turn. Choose 55. 55.
Okay,
Yay!
let's see. 16.
16. There's 16. So the choices is easier because there's 3 items that it chooses. So there is more chance you will guess that item. But choice is harder because there's only 1 item it chooses. That was fun. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.